guys, it's closing day. Oh my god, I can't believe that today is the day to finally close. So right now I believe that it's like 9 a.m. I've been up since like 8 a.m. I had to get Jocelyn ready. She's not going with us, but my mom is gonna stay with her. And yeah, we have a whole hour drive to get to the house and to go to closing. They're kind of nearby, so I'll include some scenery so that you guys can do the trip with us. And we're off. Welcome to our home. Finally got the keys, and this is originally a dining area, but I think that I want to make it more into a sitting area. And then our kitchen, which needs a new stove, but I'm so happy to finally have cabinet space. And a special thank you to Lux Real Estate and Company, because our realtor was absolutely amazing. So shout out to Nicole. I'll also leave her Instagram link down below. She is located in Florida and she travels. So here is the living area, and we have an extra bar. So there's actually two bars, which is why we will be converting that dining area into more of a sitting space. And our backyard. So it did come with a shed, and I originally wanted a she shed, but I think that we're just going to use it as extra storage. And back inside, and this is going to be the master bedroom. So it is a little smaller than I hoped, but I am very happy. And here we have the sink, which I'm going to DIY soon, and our closet and the bathroom on the opposite end. Once you get to the opposite side of the house, you will run into Jocelyn's room. So a little later in the video, you'll see my husband painting this room. I really am happy to give her her own space. And across from her room is the extra bathroom. And that opposite room is going to be my mom's room, and she'll be staying with us for hopefully another year and just helping us out. So I hope that you guys really love the house as much as we do, and I hope that you stick around for more of our videos coming up soon. So a little update. We officially signed all of our papers. We had to go back to our house to grab some stuff because since Justin has the day off, we were like, we might as well move some stuff. My face looks crazy, but we did get some stuff into the house, and Justin's actually painting Jocelyn's room, which is so exciting. And this is just one of the many memories that we will be having in this house. So I thought that I would just show you guys the house and just what all we did today. Say hi. Hi. Yo, wow. So here I still have some stuff to unpack. Here I have some decor items, and I put some glasses in the cupboard. This one I actually got at Target. It says Cup of Ambition, and then the other one here says Creative Juice. I absolutely love collecting cups, so I got that. I also found this like what's that called, Lazy Susan, so we have that here. I actually found these jars, which are so cute. cute. Supposedly they're from Target, but I actually found these on OfferUp from a lady selling them from California. So that came today, super exciting. And yeah, so we're just going to unpack a little bit. I'm just in the process of cleaning the fridge. So I was just washing these out. I need to do this one over and this one as well. This one's clean, and then you can see that they had a cat. And yeah, so just cleaning out all of this hair here and then checking out the freezer to see if there's any hair there too. Really quick, I just want to apologize for being a little bit MIA on YouTube. It's just been such a process to run Prestaholic and pack and do all of this closing stuff for the house, but it's been amazing to see Jocelyn have a yard and shopping for, you know, a slide for her and things like that. So I'm extremely grateful to be documenting a little bit of our journey and just showing you guys our new space. And I'm extremely excited for you guys to come along for the ride and enjoy this playlist of our home. So let me know if you guys want to see more of these type of videos. So if you want to see more videos of our house tour and all of the exciting things that come along with buying a home, then please let me know. And if you guys have any specific questions or things that you want me to mention in the next video, then please let me know as well. This is an exciting journey for us, and I'm so excited to have you guys on the other side of the camera watching everything unfold. So make sure to subscribe, like the video if you did, and I will see you very soon.